welcome to DM Astrology. Today we are going to see a topic called how and when to celebrate birthday. It's a very important things about the Vedic astrology, that where our year change, where our life extend to the next year. So there are various mode people celebrate their birthday. Many people celebrate on the day where they born, like date. First of all, normally worldwide 90% people who celebrate their birthday on the day they born. Like I born in 16 March, so I will celebrate my birthday on every 16 March. But that is a Christian as per calendar. So it is a Christian calendar which has no relevancy. It's just for the calculation of days it has been made, Gregorian calendar. So that is only reflecting the day on which date you born, which has no relevancy in the Vedic astrology, and it's a purely a Christian calendar. Nowadays people have started celebrating the day on the 12 hour in the midnight. When 12 hours is there, they start celebrating from earlier day till next day when the actual day is there, and then after sunrise till sunrise. So it's not a correct way. The correct way, what the Vedic system says about the Hindu calendar says, is a Tithi. We all know Tithi, and I have done the one video about the Tithi, that importance of all Tithis. So in all the Kundlis and chart, you will find your Hindu month and your Tithi. So this Tithi is very important. It's a part of a Panchang, and our whole Vedic astrology or Indian astrology based on lunar, moon. So moon based Panchang, moon based all the 5 parts, where one first part is a Tithi. Tithi is nothing but the distance between sun and moon. We all know that sun takes 1 month in one sign, whereas in that same month the moon rotates 360 degree around this and complete the 12 sign. So after completing 12 sign, again sun meets each other, sun and moon. So that is a distance between sun and moon, or rather we say it's a distance between our soul and our mood or our mind. So how our soul and mood or mind has taken a birth on particular day, and how will be our mood on that particular day, that reflect the Tithi. So normally the Hindus are celebrating their all the festivals also in the Tithi. Like we know Ram Navami, it may fall in any date, any Hindu dates it comes. It's not a fixed date, but Ram Navami, Ganesh Chaturthi. So these all are the festival we celebrate as a birthday of that particular god. So same way Mahashivratri, same way we Hindu normally believes a Tithi. So one best way or fine way is to celebrate their birthday is a Tithi. You can follow your Hindu month, and you can follow your Tithi and Paksh. Which Paksh, Shukla Paksh or Krishna Paksh, that you will learn in my Tithi video. So that is the second part, that the Hindu calendar follows a Tithi based celebration. Thereafter there is more precise where Nakshatra comes. In which Nakshatra you born during your month. See, like my birthday is 16 March. So nearby when my birth Nakshatra comes, that is also a way where you can celebrate. That is more precise than the Tithi also, because in Tithi also there is a Kshaya Tithi, Vriddhi Tithi, or there is a Adhik Mas also. But Nakshatra or a star, what we call constellation, star or Nakshatra, that falls in the same day after 360 days. So that's also a best way to celebrate. Whatever your birth and nakshatra is a moon. Again I am saying it's a moon nakshatra, not your ascendant nakshatra. So on moon nakshatra, whatever your moon nakshatra, that base your dasha also there. So that nakshatra day where you are born, in same nakshatra when it appear in the month of your birth, you can celebrate your birthday. That is also one way. Then there is a solar return. It's also being a day where you can celebrate. A solar return we call it as a Varsha Kundli or Varshafal. Your Varshafal is always fall on the day, Monday, Tuesday, 1 day, 6 hour, 9 minutes and 11 seconds. So this on the birthday when you are born, for every year it is add up. So suppose in 2020 somebody born, so in 2021 there will be 1 day ahead, 6 hour 9 minute and 11 second, your birthday will again fall. Why it's such? It's a solar return. It's a day when exactly your sun full on the same time. That is why on that time the birth year or Varsha Kundli will be prepared. It is slightly came on the same Christian date, but time may varies. If you are born in the certain hours, so after 6 hour 9 minute and 11 second per year it will goes ahead. So if you see your birth verse Kundli, you will find when your exactly verse start or begins. We all are a manual calculator. I have done the manual calculator, so I know how to calculate it. So this is also a fourth way, Varsha Kundli, where your year comes, when your verse start. Same sun degree when it appears is also a solar return where your birth you can celebrate, birth date you can celebrate. So these all are the ways by which you can celebrate your birth date. This is a day where you have to fix. Now, what to do on the particular day is a day to celebrate, and it's not a way the people celebrate now, just making a party and fun. This also a part of a cultural things is okay, but what the ritual says, that also we should understand. First of all, you should take a blessing of your parents, because on which way, by which mode you have come in this earth. So first of all, you have to, in the morning, you have to take the blessing of your parents that day, so that you will be getting the 1 year extension. That's a blessing you can get from the parents. Then you can visit any temple nearby, or you can visit your Kula Devata temple, who's your god from the generation, that is called Kula Devata. That also you can say. You can pray sun in the morning and moon in the evening. If your birth is in the daytime, you can pray sun. If your birth is in the night time, you can pray moon. So you can pray any god you believe. You can pray your generation or family god. You can pray sun and moon. These all are the way of getting blessings, and that blessing will be helpful for the upcoming year. Then normally in Christian they brings the cake. This is not our Hindu tradition. What a Hindu tradition is says, to get strength of all the 7 planets. Rahu Ketu we don't consider here. So all the 7 planets joined together, that we makes one item. That is normally called as a Rava Shira. You can search in Google how to make a Rava Shira. Those who are not familiar with the Indian culture, they can search this. So that is also one way by which all the 9 planets strength you can get. Likewise, that Rava Shira is made up of a Rava, Suji also it is called in the Hindi particular language. That is a reflection of a sun, because it's a wheat. It is part of a wheat flour, so it is a sun. Then we add up milk on this, that is a moon. Then we add when we heated it, it's add up Mars. Then we add the pista, that is for Mercury. We add a sugar or any sweet things in that is a Jupiter. We add a ghee, butter. It's not a butter, but it's pure a ghee. So that is also Venus. And we add Badam, that is a Saturn. So there is all 7 planets comes together, and that when we offer to the god, that our 7 planets get strengthened, and then same prasad we distribute amongst others. By offering the god, we get this. This is our Indian cake. Those who don't aware, this is our Indian cake. It's not a Western culture that we cut the cake. We offer the Shira as a prasad. So that also one way you can offer the god, you can offer your Kula Devata, and then you can distribute amongst your relatives. Then Tuladan, that is also very, very important on the auspicious day of your birthday. You can have a Tuladan. Tuladan means bodily weight. You can donate rice, because that absorb all your negativity from the body. Normally at the time of putting the tika also we add up rice. So rice you can donate according to your body weight, or you can donate in 12 parts. Every month when your tithi comes on that day, or Amavasya who's nearby, you can donate. Suppose your weight is 72 kg, so every month you can donate 6 kg, or at a straight you can donate 72 kg. That is Tulabar, means whatever your body is that weight you are giving to others, so your body become relaxed. So that is also Tuladan is there. Tuladan to be done every year, or specially it should be done on the year of 25, year of 50, year of 75 years. On 60th years, when you complete the 60th year, it is called Shashti Purti. We have to celebrate that by Shashti Purti. On that day also there is a Tuladan, and there was a rituals are there. So 60 years, that's a celebration of a Shashti Purti, that is also to be done. And after you complete 50 years, those who have already completed 50 years, every year you have to give something. You have to left something. Leave one item every year. So that it's a way of a sacrificing, because till 50 years you have enjoy everything. So after 50, when 51, 2, 3, 53, 54 it come, that's the ending year is called 1. In the Hindu think system, it is called Ikyavan, Bavan, Trepan. So that is all as an indication of going to the wood, going to the forest. 1 means forest. So it's not in the present era, it is not possible to go to the, in the olden days a king gives its kingdom to his successor, and then they go to the forest and take the meditation and everything. But here it is not possible, so you can start living one item every year. So after 50 years, how many years you live? 51, 52, 50, like 70 years, 75, 80 years. So that much 25, 30 item you have to live, which is most likely to you. If you like some sweet, if you like something, every year you have to leave one item every year, so as to go near to the moksha. It's a step to go near to the moksha. That is why it is very important. So this is the way. And though the day when your birthday is there, you have to be very calm, and you should be celebrating also. And other way, you have to see that what you have done in the back years, how many years you have passed in that year, whether you have done some reasonable and considerable things, which whether you have useful yourself to the other thing. So that you have to see. So likewise, you have to celebrate your birthday. I have given very small ideas which I have. It may be differ with the person to person, but what my knowledge is permitting, I have given the views. So I hope that you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology, and you can always coordinate with me in my Facebook and in my Instagram. So hope you like this video, and do according to whatever you can able to follow, and those birthdays are coming nearby, you can apply it. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much.